Once your assignment is live in Screencastify Submit, you can also share it to Google Classroom. Simply select the Google Classroom icon, which will pop out a new tab. There, you can decide which class you'd like to share the assignment with, and then the action that you'd like to take. Would you like to create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, or create a material? Once you've selected, you can go ahead and press Go. Then you'll be taken to the assignment page you might already be familiar with. There, you can add additional instructions, decide to share with an additional class, which student should actually see the assignment, the amount of points it's worth, a due date, and a topic if you'd like. Once this assignment is configured to your liking, you can go ahead and press Assign. And that's it. The assignment is actually posted to your classwork stream within Google Classroom. You can select View to see exactly what it looks like from the student perspective.